Once there was a beautiful peacock, and it used to dance whenever it rained. But one day, when it was dancing in the rain, it heard nightingale singing. Then the peacock thought, "Wow, such a sweet singing. Now I should also sing." Then the peacock started to sing, but it realized her voice is very rough. Then the peacock felt very sad and it stopped dancing. It almost cried. It asked God, "Oh God, why? Why I didn't get a sweet voice like nightingale? Why my voice is very rough? I also want to sing like nightingale." After a few days, the nightingale started to sing again nearby peacock. Then the peacock approached the nightingale and said, "Wow, you have a lovely voice. You can sing all day, but I can't sing like you because my voice is very rough." Then the nightingale replied, "So what if my voice is very sweet? I can't dance like you. People love my singing, but they don't like to look at me. But when you dance, people love to watch you. They admire you. I can't dance well like you." Then the peacock realized how foolishly she was comparing herself with nightingale. She learned that everyone is unique. Again, the peacock started to dance. That day onwards, she never felt sad. Moral of the story: don't compare yourself with others. Bring out your best.